Welcome to Agriculture Insight. Today we're diving into the incredible world of modern farming machines, the powerful technology that helps farmers around the world harvest millions of tons of crops with unmatched speed and precision. From apple orchards to vast cornfields, these machines are revolutionizing the way we grow, harvest, and feed the planet. So buckle up, it's time to witness modern agriculture on another level. In the rolling hills of modern orchards, apple harvesting machines gently shake trees, collecting ripe fruit without damaging them. With cameras and sensors guiding every move, these machines can replace the labor of hundreds of workers, saving both time and cost while ensuring top-quality fruit. Next, we head underground, to carrot harvesting. Using rotating belts and precision conveyors, these machines lift carrots from the soil, trim the tops, and sort them instantly. It's a perfect blend of engineering and efficiency, turning backbreaking manual work into a seamless process. Onion harvesters operate with surgical accuracy. They cut, lift, clean, and collect onions in a single pass. Equipped with advanced dust control systems, they keep crops clean and ready for storage or market. Meet the deep plow machines, giants of soil preparation. They break through compacted earth, reaching depths of over 3 feet to restore soil health and prepare fields for the next planting season. This is power meeting precision, ensuring long-term fertility and higher yields. Modern seed planters use GPS and AI to plant seeds with centimeter accuracy. Every seed is placed at the right depth, in the right spot, for maximum germination and growth. Smart farming at its best, saving seeds, time, and resources. Precision irrigation systems like center pivots bring water efficiency to a whole new level. They're automated, remote-controlled, and designed to deliver just the right amount of water. No more, no less. This technology helps farmers conserve water while ensuring consistent crop growth. Tree trimmers keep orchards in perfect shape. With rotating blades and hydraulic arms, they can prune hundreds of trees a day, ensuring better sunlight, airflow, and fruit quality. What once took days of manual labor now takes just a few hours. Peanut harvesters dig deep, loosen the pods, and flip the plants for sun drying, all in one go. It's an incredible sight. Thousands of tons of peanuts ready for processing within hours. Sweet corn harvesters gently pull, husk, and load corn with robotic precision. These machines handle delicate crops without crushing them, ensuring freshness for markets and food industries. Finally, pistachio harvesters, a marvel of engineering. Using mechanical arms, they shake the trees, collect the nuts, and sort them instantly. It's efficient, sustainable, and essential for meeting the world's growing demand for healthy snacks. From soil to storage, these machines represent the future of farming, where innovation meets sustainability. As technology evolves, farmers can do more with less, feeding billions while caring for the planet. This is Agriculture Insight, where technology meets the earth.